welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? What's new at Acura TLX 2018? The TLX receives a refresh that includes a much-needed facelift, updated technology, and new additions to option packages. Most notably, Acura ditched the bleak beak for a much handsomer pentagonal grille with a diamond mesh insert. Acura also revised the TLX's front bumper and fenders, hood, side sills, and rear styling. Along with reshuffling the base model's standard features and packaged equipment, Acura fits every TLX with a redesigned infotainment system that features a simplified interface, quicker response times, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. All models now also have forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Trims and options we choose. The base price of a 4-cylinder TLX is $33,950, among the lowest in its class. The V6 starts at $37,150, all-wheel drive adds $2,000. We'll gladly grab the more powerful engine and all-wheel drive for the significantly quicker acceleration and all-weather motivation they provide. Too bad we can't have the sporty A-Spec trim, $2,900, without the technology package, which adds upgraded infotainment and more driver assists for $3,700. Together they skyrocket the sticker price to $44,800, which is similar to rivals we'd rather have, such as the Alfa Romeo Giulietta and the Lexus IS 350F Sport. Instead, we'll stick with the V6 and all-wheel drive system and add parking sensors, $634, and a heated steering wheel, $500. Those two options nicely complement several snazzy standard features, including dual-screen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated, power-adjustable front seats, leather-trimmed interior. In total, our TLX 3.5 SHAWD costs $40,284, a reasonable price for a well-equipped entry luxury sedan.